Rabble Show. I got chat with them and make them chat for it.
It's your girl Leah here, and right now my day for drop a hot mix up. Tell me, what would you do? Rabble rabble, straight rabblings.
Yeah man, beat it. Kill them. Why you trying to put the boat for yourself? Sit down in that shut up. Shut up your mouth. You can't do nobody know. Bad thing why shut up your mouth and sit down in that. You deserve that to the fit dead. That's the fit dead in that. Kill them. What is going on there? Kill them. Now when they have too much chat in their stuff.
You know you're really guy now there.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.